Okay. You need another one. Get that next row so you can get them $2 symbols. Come on, key. Let's see a key. Ooh, last spin already.
I see that.
Yeah. Man, we need a key bad. Come on, key. There you go. Now we're going to add some values with those gates. Ooh, green train. We're going to get a movie. I'd like to see a word on one of them trains.
That would be nice, but I don't think it does that.
Oh, that was a short train. It's like riding a short bus, huh? Oh, red train. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's taking all the values and putting it into one.
Huh. So are we ready to spin again?
Yeah, hit it.
Come on, another key.
We need another key.
Or another train would be nice.
Come on, key. Oh, man. We got to have a key. We need a chip, anything. You got to land something. There you go.
I still want a key.
Oh,
or
yeah.
I want another train.
Yeah, I want a key, too. I'm not even seeing one go by.
How about a train then? You seen any trains? I seen one go by.
Did you?
Yeah.
Boy, we're running out of real estate to get one.
I know, we need that key.
We got 3 squares we could land one in, and that's it.
Come on, key.
Yeah, I think it's over.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it'd be cool to land the major, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would be.
Not likely, but it'd be cool. Land a mini, come on. Oh, it's teasing. Minor would be cool, come on. Oh man, are you kidding? Okay, stop on the mini. No, not there. That's funny. Hit your button. That was a nice hit.
You want to keep playing or what?
Yeah.